Harper Audi presents Love That Dog by Sharon Creech, performed by Scott Wolf. For Sandy and Jack Floyd, Mark and Karen Luthi Benjamin, Louise England, Rob Luthi, all of whom love their dogs. With special thanks to Walter Dean Myers, and to all the poets and Mr. and Miss Stretchberries who inspire students every day. Jack, room 105, Miss Stretchberry. September 13th. I don't want to, because boys don't write poetry. Girls do. September 21. I tried. Can't do it. Brain's empty. September 27. I don't understand the poem about the red wheelbarrow and the white chickens, and why so much depends upon them. If that is a poem about the red wheelbarrow and the white chickens, then any words can be a poem. You've just got to make short lines.